Hello and welcome back to Amped RC's Advent Calendar RC car build, where over the past 24 days you'll have seen me build this. And today, day 25, you'll find out that today is Boxing Day. We're releasing day 25 on day 26 because Christmas Day, day 25, is the time to be with your family, to play with your toys, to play with your kids' toys. So I hope you've enjoyed your time, your day with your family, and now Boxing Day, we're down to the last day of this, which is the most important day. What is that, I hear you say? It's the drive. So right now we're going to give this a bit of a bash, see what it's like. Before we do that, quick rundown. I'm not expecting much from this purely because it isn't a proportional car. So the steering, it's essentially a switch. It's a wheel radio, but it's a switch. I mean, you might be able to hear it. Yeah, and the throttle, there's no proportionality, so I'm not expecting much from the drive, but I'll bash it as best I can. I'll run it round my garden because that's where this is going to be used. That will be its natural habitat. And we'll see how it fares. So let's have a look. So that is it. That is the build and the drive done. There is nothing more left to do on this car than maybe strip it for parts or keep the batteries. Anyway, let's talk about it. So first of all, the build. Now, obviously it's an Advent Calendar build day by day. There's only so much you can do day by day. You will have some parts lying around before you get the screws to attach them. Quite annoying. But for maybe a little kid, for someone under the age of 10 with adult supervision, this would be a very good starter build to get them into the RC hobby. I can imagine they would enjoy this quite a lot as a starter build or something on the side just to bash around after Christmas. It is an incredibly plasticky car. Everything is friction. It's not the best, but then it was a £50 advent calendar. My hopes are obviously a little higher than they should have been. So for what it was all right. For a starter build, why not? Give it a go. If you can find this next Christmas, so Christmas 2026, because this is 2025, go for it. I'm sure with a bit of adult supervision, your child would absolutely love it. And if not your child, you. As a car, yeah, it's very squarely aimed at the under 10 market. So a teenager and adult may not get much out of this build or the drive. It is a very basic car, so everything is on micro switch. So you should be able to hear the clicks through my mic there of the switches being activated. So there's nothing proportional. So it's a very, very basic car to drive. The tyres are very plasticky. They're not very grippy. But again, it was cheap, so it'd be a great introduction into the RC hobby, but don't expect to go proper rock crawling or trail driving with this thing. Just enjoy it for what it is. Now, coming in the new year, we do have an actual crawler on the channel. I've never done crawling before, so this is going to be interesting. I hope you've enjoyed the series. Hopefully, you'll be more interested to look into the RC hobby going forward. That's the whole idea of the channel, to look at the RC hobby as a beginner. So everything I do, everything I buy or test will have the beginner in mind. There will be some more in-depth videos in the future, but I do need to plan around them. They're probably another year or so in the future. So yeah, if you did enjoy this, please give us a big thumbs up and drop a comment. Tell us what your favorite part of the build was. If you've watched any of the videos, leave us a comment about what your favorite video was or what your favorite car is. Any comment you drop, I will interact with. It will be me personally, nobody else. This is a complete one-man band of a channel, and it is a bit of a labor of love. If you do like what we've done so far and you're interested to see what I've got coming up in the future, then big subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified of every video I do. I have got a cupboard full of cars over there, so hopefully you'll want to stick around to see what we've got coming up. I've just noticed I've got an open cupboard over there as well, full. So that's 2 full cupboards of RC vehicles. I was going to say cars, but vehicles, big hint, for you to stick around and watch. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you have had a very Merry Christmas and incredibly happy holidays. I hope you've enjoyed the time off with your family and with me. I've enjoyed having you along for this ride, and I look forward to 2026. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Most importantly, stay amped. Yes, see you in the new year.